Hi there guys, welcome to another episode of Project Zippy. We've just removed all the masking that was left, so yeah, it's looking much better. We have a helper today, Mr. James, and he's just currently reassembling my gear linkage after painting some bits of it, as you can see. Say hi, James.
Hi.
Say hi to the people of the internet. Yeah, so today we're going to get the steering rack, sort of measure it as close as we can to the old and set it up to the old one, get that bolted in, and then get the subframe, give that a clean up, put it in the car with new solid mounts, and potentially we'll get the engine back in today. We'll see. It'd be good if we can though. So yeah, that's where we're at with it. So let's crack on, shall we? Okay, so we have got the steering rack bolted in. That wasn't without some dramas though. Where's the other inner column gone, James? There it is. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. You may or may not. Yeah, you can. I think I was probably moments away from death with this thing. The splines clearly weren't engaging very much, and what was there, well, it's very non-existent anyway, so yeah, that's not great. I did have a spare inner column, which we have messed about with, installed, put new bushes in and everything, so yeah, that's great. Bit of a pain, but hey-ho. And we've just removed the rubber subframe mounts and fitted the solid ones. So, next step is clean the subframe and then put that in the car. So yeah, I'm going to do that next. Let's crack on with it. Okay then guys, so subframe is in. That's looking a bit better. Get these wires out of the way. Subframe in, solid mounted, so that's not going anywhere anytime soon. No more mounts to break. Pot joints back on, battery cable is bolted to the subframe, engine mount adapters are all fully tightened up. James down there is just currently taking the tie bars off to replace the bushes. I've got the half poly ones to go on there. So yeah, next step is I've just got the engine crane out, and so that is coming off the bench and getting dropped in. So that's my next task, work out how I'm going to get this off here. I'm just hoping, fingers crossed, that that will lift high enough. So I guess we're about to see. Yeah, so let's get on with that, shall we? Very productive day. So, we have an engine installed in an engine bay. Would you look at that? The wiring is back through, mostly in and tidied up. There's just a few bits to sort out here. A few bits left to plug in, but not much really. Yeah, looking good. All tucked up behind there nice and neatly. All tucked up in the slam panel for the headlight wiring. It's looking really good. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, so that's where we're at with it now. There's some more bits that we need to paint, so I've just remembered about. So we've got the Dizzy bracket, the starter motor that I'm going to be using is this one here, but the solenoid is absolutely shagged, and there's no threads left on the end of it either. It's not ideal. So I've got a spare starter motor here. It's an MPI starter motor, so I'm just nabbing the solenoid off it to put on this one. Yep, so that needs to be painted up. And then what else were we going to do? Ah, yes. I've just found the radiator over there. So the cowling and the thermostat bracket both need a good tart up. So we'll take those off and give them a clean. I'll clean up the radiator as well. I need to buy some new washers and bolts and stuff to go in the top of that cowling, because they're not the right ones, and all the rubber grommets are all knackered. So yes, there we are. Looking very good. I'm very happy with it. I'll take that out of there and get a better look. Yeah, that looks really good. GoPro's giving me SD card errors today, so hopefully it's not messed up any of this footage. Anyways, yeah, I'm not going to show you all the cleaning up of this stuff, because it's just boring really, wire wheeling and painting, but that's yeah, that's where we're at with it now. So let's carry on and I'll update you in a bit. Okay, so it's absolutely thrown it down outside, which is just wonderful. We appear to have misplaced the starter motor bolts, which, not a big... Oh, you found it?
That's the same thread.
That's the same thread, but it's not the right thing. Yeah, don't matter, I can buy some more at work anyway. So, we have... Let's have a look, see what we're doing. We've got the radiator cowling off, painted that. Starter motor's painted, the solenoid. Gear selector's had another coat, and forgot to paint that before we put the lid back on the paint, so I can do that tomorrow. Yes, everything's wet, James.
That's wet too.
Yeah, okay.
That's not wet.
What isn't? What's not wet?
All wet.
Okay. Anyways, yeah, so that's where we're at now. I'm going home because we've been here for...
Too many hours.
11 hours. Yeah, when you put it like that. So yeah, looking good, really happy with it. And hopefully in the next couple of episodes we'll have it running, which is exciting. I need to remember to get my keys out of the car actually before I throw the cover back on. Yeah, it's not going to explode, James. Right, if you like this video, guys, then drop us a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.